state. Coming up next on Kong, we're going to show you the timeline the FBI just released of Keys' travels and crimes. Live in Seattle, I'm Tracy Lynn, K5 News.
One of the world's most visionary entrepreneurs says someday we won't need a plane, train, or automobile to move about the country. Elon Musk, the man behind PayPal and Tesla Motors, says you can do it with a Hyperloop. His idea puts traveling on a magnetic levitation system inside airless, low-friction tubes, letting passengers travel at up to 700 miles an hour. That should help you get through the commute, right, Trey?
Then I wouldn't have a job. All right, here's the deal. Southbound 405 to 522, we've got a stall in the Gore Point that has you backed up almost at Alderwood now, all the way to the scene. Southbound 405, or sorry, Southbound